Dog tricks part 2. Let's do some new stuff here, Bo. Come here. Come here. High five. High five. There you go. Shake. Shake. Good boy. Stay. Don't eat it. Stay. Stay. Okay, you can eat it. Good boy. Alright, go to bed. Go under your table. Go to bed, Bo. Go to bed. Yep, that's your bed. Alright, come here. Come here. You want to catch this? You ready? You ready? You want to catch another one? Ready? Let's see, what else do you know? That's pretty much it. Sit. Speak. Come on, you can speak louder than that. Speak. Alright, I guess that's good enough. Alright, I'll teach you some more stuff later. That's it for now. Say bye to everyone. Bye-bye.